What will be the name of this?
The name of this is Chinese meat.
Chinese meat. Don't be flog this.
No, not Chinese meat. Na meat.
Na meat.
Yeah.
How do they tell they get them?
Inside water.
Okay. Inside water they get them?
Yeah.
So you can't dry like this?
Yes. The meat sweet,
Yeah.
Yeah.
The meat sweet well.
No be chai, so.
The meat sweet well.
It's sweet. Until go eat and go test and we go see what it is inside now.
So you chop am?
I dey chop. You ask me. Wow, now wow. I dey eat and well.
They eat am well.
Yeah, nah, yeah.
Say it's sweet well.
Oh, I better go test and cut this one. See and test and
I never tested before.
you know, but start today now. I said they start something now, 1 to 2 like this, then they go now. Maybe cap.
So all of these things now are from the water, the river, they come get.
Yeah, now from the river.
It's not a Chinese flog.
Chinese meat.
Chinese meat.
Yeah.
Okay, which tribe? Where are you from?
I'm from Taraba State. I'm TB.
Your team.
That's TIV.
And now they eat this thing, right?
Yes,
this meat.
where we eat and where.
Okay, now they eat and well.
Yeah. No be only us they eat am.
Which people again they eat am?
Ijukuma they eat am. Igbo ma they eat am. Yeah.
They eat and well.
Yeah.
So we still get tea for Taraba State.
Yeah, we still get it many.
For Taraba State.
Yeah.
I think say na only Jukun and the Hausa and the rest them. So TV day Taraba State.
Yeah, TV de Taraba na. Taraba na TV na. Taraba na combined state.
Okay.
Combine any language they inside. Maybe only Hausa why they Taraba.
So if you test this thing like this.
Yeah, we test her now.
Test am as in.
Where now? See, I'm I just sit now.
You don't test am.
Yes.
It choke. Say it sweet well.
It's sharp. This is sharp. It's sharp. Seriously.
How much do they sell one like this?
One like this. Na 3,000.
Okay, 3,000.
Yeah. They sell at cheaper price, safe.
Do they put am for any kind of soup?
Yeah, they put on safe.
Any soup at all?
Any soup.
Now this people one buy like this.
Yes. Here are the suppliers.
Okay, now then the supplier.
Yes. Why customer come they buy, carry am from many countries, places like other states. Yeah.
You go sell them.
Yes.
This one and fish, which one sweet pass?
This thing is sweet past fish. Far away. If you
Sweet pass fish.
If you want to say this thing sweet bar, I beg start from this one. From here. Here, see this leg, this hand. Go test her now, you go see now.
If you want to test the sweetness now from leg.
Yeah, start from leg. If you don't want, then throw away the head self. Then head, after head, then the hand. More you know say one more. Let's say something sweet for life.
I don't jump person today. So if you want to say this thing they sweet, Chinese meat.
Yeah, the Chinese meat.
Chinese meat. So if you want to say they sweet, we stand for the leg.
You know see as in there, I see if a person want fight. You know see go try and see now.
You know like say one fight.
You know see wait. This one. You don't say I stand like this. That's so China. No, so China they do.
That's so China they do. They call it Chinese meat.
Yeah.
Okay, they do like China.
Because based on action he do, that is why they give him that name, Chinese meat.
Okay, the action way they do.
Always stand on action. Yeah.
You go move like.
Yes. I see one fight. I say you want to shoot person, you know now. Yes. Normal level.
This thing na flog, I been na.
I tell you say this thing na Chinese meat.
Flog.
Yes, no be flog.
It look like flog.
Yes, sometimes it goes similar to flog, but no be flog. Yeah.
The sweet well.
I say this thing sweet, it's sweet well. Go test her now. It's sweet.
So where na they get am like this?
Now inside water we dey get am. Yeah.
Any water at all they dey inside?
Yes, any water.
How na tell they know this one and this very one now from the other flog? How na tell they know the difference?
Based on your body, based on your color way in day. Yes. You know say a flog, the real flog, in skin we dey like clash, but this one dey fresh. That is the difference. Yeah.
And you say if you want to know how sweet they dey na from the leg.
Yeah, start from the legs.
But you fit chop am when they never dry am.
And I go feed her now. Feed them.
Good afternoon. What's the name of this thing?
We dey call am kwado.
Kwado?
Frog.
Hey, Jesus, come, Mama. Come. Sorry.
Don't finish,
No, you said they call it what?
Kwado.
Okay. You just bought it now.
I don't know about it.
How much do you buy like this?
3,500.
This one and fish, which one sweet pass?
This one sweet pass fish.
This one sweet pass.
Yes, now.
Yeah, I can touch them.
If you touch her now. But
Like this vlog, sweet pass fish.
No. If you touch
We are not eating it. It is not all people that is used to eat it, but it is
I've not tested it before.
yeah. Even me myself, but they used to catch it inside fire. Yeah,
Inside the river?
inside the river. Sorry, inside river. Yes, inside river.
I say it's sweet more than fish.
No. I know say one carry my.
Thank you, yeah. Good afternoon, sir. How you doing?
Fine, thank you.
What's the name of this thing now?
Frog. This we dey call am for how long? Ifiam.
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 Ifiam. Okay. Now for water they get them.
Yes, side water.
So you from where?
I'm from Benue.
You're from Benue.
Yes.
Okay, the Thief tribe.
Yeah, I'm T tribe.
You dey eat this thing?
I dey eat now.
How you dey taste?
Good.
You good well.
Well, well.
Say good well.
Na better meat too.
Na better meat. But no be flog be this thing.
No be frog. The day of type.
A day of type. Like how many type?
Around 3.
Okay, 3 type. Okay, but now only this one inside that 3 type they eat.
They eat only this one. Only this one they eat.
Okay. So they use and cook different soup. They use and cook different kind of soup.
We dey cook am like that. Go sweet. Dey sweet.
Ifiam.
Ifiam we dey call am.
They eat the head.
The head myself we dey eat am.
But they fit eat am for fresh, I mean only dry.
Anyone you can fit eat. Anyhow we be we go eat. Whether fresh one or dry one.
And only your tribe they eat am, the other people they eat am.
Some more than they eat.
Ifiam.
Ifiam will be the name where we dey call am. But how say they call am frog?
Frog. And a frog I tell no am now, so they call Ifiam now for your language. Now they learn am for today.
Anytime we say call am Ifiam.
Ifiam.
If we dey, we know say na this thing we dey call.
If you test them, as yeah. So the thing they sweet well.
It's sweet now.
So since they born you, they eat this Ifiam. Since they born you, now they eat them.
Igbo man dey eat. Some dey eat.
Since they born you, now they eat them like this. Now you start to eat them. And your children, everybody they eat them. Now you come by.
I come to buy, but I know see better one.
You don't see better one. All this plenty one, you don't see better one.
This one, they small too much.
Okay, the big pass like this.
Big one where they.
The big pass like this.
You pass this one far.
Even the one where they inside back, they're no big. See the one where they inside back.
That one is big now.
Okay, that one big like that.
But the person buy keep.
Okay, the person buy keep like that. So you don't go buy now because it's a small one.
This one no go buy now. If I buy, people no go buy.
Okay, you they buy, they sell.
Okay. They tell me say this one is small.
Okay, they buy, they sell. Well done, sir. Thank you very much, sir. So this one there, they don't buy them now.
They buy and keep.
And that one a big one.
A big one.
Oh, my see them. Mama, never cast one on one. Never negative. Banka yung babalaw.
Banka babesinjira.
Banka babesinjira.
Kama babesinjira.
Banka yung babalaw. This one a big one. See, the big well, see. The big pass the other one.
This one I say no big as size. But this one pass this one.
You get the one with big pass this one.
The one with pass this one go day. He day.
Big pass this one.
He day no.
People don't buy this one finish like this. Yam sungwa, you loud though. Okay, this very meat, they call it Chinese meat according to them, but their language they call it Ifiam. Ifiam. According to them, they say it's very sweet. That is very sweet, and they get it from the water. to differentiate it from the normal flog that we know. They say they have three types of that particular flog that we know. No, some people say call it flog. Like me, I was thinking it's flog, but they say they have three types of that flog. This one is different from that other one. This very one is one they eat, and they call it Ifiam. And according to them, they say it's very sweet. That if you want to know how sweet it is, you start from the labs. That is very sweet. This is my first time of seeing this one here like this. So Chinese meat that it behaves like Chinese. That's why they call it Chinese meat. Travel and see. The choke. Thank you.